If you are on a stamp 1G and planning to switch to a work permit next year, your eligibility is about to change and this is everything you need to prepare for. From 1st March 2026, every major work permit category in Ireland will have new salary thresholds, and these are not small adjustments. These are structural changes that will directly impact who qualifies. From March 2026, the minimum salary for a general employment permit will increase from 34,000 euros to 36,605 euros. This is a noticeable jump for many graduate level roles. For critical skills, the new threshold depend on your qualification pathway. If you have a relevant degree, the minimum salary will increase from 38,000 euros to 40,904 euros. If you do not have a relevant degree and qualify based on experience, the threshold will increase from 64,000 euros to 68,911 euros. This is one of the steepest increases in the entire system. A new category is also being introduced called the critical skills graduate route. So from 1st March 2026, the minimum salary for this category will be 36,848 euro, and for graduates who do not qualify for the critical skills, there is another new pathway called the GEP Irish graduate route. The minimum salary for this would be 34,009 euro. For low wage sectors like healthcare assistants, home carers, meat processing and horticulture, the salary requirement will increase from 30,000 euro to 32,691 euro. This brings these roles much closer to the general employment permit level. The biggest shift begins in January 2027. From that point, salaries will no longer be fixed numbers. They will become indexed linked, which means they will adjust automatically each year in line with the national wage movement. If your next job offer or work permit application falls after 1st March 2026, your employer must meet these new higher salary thresholds. Old numbers will not apply. Always check the job offer, the salary and the category your role falls under, because Ireland has changed the logic of the entire system. If you're even thinking about applying for a work permit next year, send me a DM and I will guide you through your options before these changes take effect.